Hey guys, my name is Bailey Wilson and today we are going to be playing some Minecraft Pocket Edition. So this is on a laptop but it goes for PE Edition, I don't know why. But I'm just going to play. Now I'm just going to go on servers and then we're going to go on the Nova Space Station. Then we're just going to wait. Now I have already recorded this twice, but it needed me to sign into Xbox Live, and now I tried to do it after, like just a minute ago. Then it just said that I was already logged in. So yes, my username is TinyFoxKirby. That is my old name on my iPad, but now because I put like my other details from my iPad onto here, it's gone from my old account. So yeah, I'm not too happy about and this is really bad. Like, I'm really bad on computer. I'm better on my iPad because it's so weird, like how W, A, S and D you move. W is forward, A is left, S is back and D is right. It's so bad. And on Pocket Edition, all you have to do is tap the screen. Well, on Pocket Edition on the iPad, all you have to do is tap a screen, like move. So much easier. But yeah, today I'm going to be playing, I think it's Money Wars. I don't think I'm going to be doing teams, so like multiplayer, but here we are. See, I know how to walk and like jump, spaces jump, but that's Money Wars. There we go. And yeah, I will be playing this. Oh no, I'm the only one. In this, oh god. I will be playing this after this is recorded, so get ready for that. I think one person has joined. Oh god. Yep, one person has changed. Has moved. I'm gonna tell it. Yay! Well, two people have come. I'm gonna tell them that they're gonna be in a YouTube video. You guys are gonna be on a YouTube vid. Let's see what they say. Is my mouse? Yay, 6 people are here. Oh, I like that guy. That guy's always here. It doesn't do anything. I'm just gonna wait here and wait for people to join. Yay! Oh, it's so close. Just one more. Oh, yay! There we go. Woohoo! Oh, it's got his own baby self. Oh, those people have left. Hi, no one can get me. Okay. I don't want to say it again because I don't want to waste my time. Oh, what? Okay. So I have played this quite a few times, pretty good on my iPad. So yeah. Oh no, this isn't teams, I forgot. Oh, someone's right there. Oh, scary. Blocks, 1, 2, 3. Now you guys can join me as I said before. And yeah, I know how to place it. Right click. It took me forever how to place. I was asking people, how do you place on computer? And they was like, oh my god, how can you not place? You're such a noob. I was like, I know, right? Oh god. Okay, that should be safe. Oh god. I wasn't shift. I was pressing on shift. Come on. I was pressing on shift. Oh, I was pressing on caps lock. Oh, yeah. Okay. Turn off, Dan. I'm pressing caps lock, but it's not working. Whoa, I have a lot of iron. Where'd I go? I'm actually going to do that. So here we. Oh no! Don't fall, please. So I don't know why I bought that. Push shift this time. S. Oh, what? My bed's gone. I think I already know. Ah! No! Please, no! Oh, you're so mean. He's off my bed, isn't he? Up. I'm not back to hub. I'm gonna play another different game. Ah! Okay. There's a few. Ooh! New map, block hunt. I'm actually kind of good at that game. I thought I'd play this. I'm not doing all that parkour. Usually I like parkour, but I just don't like it. But sometimes I just don't like it. I did one parkour just so impressed. That doesn't do properly. We need 24 players. Woohoo! Shifting is so fun. Hi. Shift, 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 shift. Oh, how to play. You spawn as a block or hunter. Blocks have to find a spot to hide. Hunters have to find the blocks before time runs out. Okay. We just got away. And this is gonna take forever. Shit. Whoa. 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 I love shifting. It's so fun. I think the sticky keys are gonna. It's gonna like pause my game and ask for sticky keys. Yeah, that's what that noise is. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but that's a sticky keys game noise. I don't think you guys can hear this. Hear it. You guys can hear it, but I haven't activated it yet because I just don't want to. I like shifting a lot, so it's gonna be kind of hard. So I just have to. Oh my god, lightning just struck the hiders. Yay! Thanks for joining. Okay, I'm back to hub. I'm gonna join another game. Oh wait, 6 players. I think this is taking too long. I'm probably just. Oh, okay, 5. Okay. I just need 5 more. Why 5? No! Why are people leaving? Oh. Why did you guys leave? Please stay. Oh, this is so annoying. I just gotta wait here. Sorry if you guys are bored. I know probably like this is the worst video ever. But trust me, it's probably gonna get better. Yep, here it is. It's only just done it. I'll turn it on, I guess. Now let's shift let's see what it does. I just said yes. Oh yeah. Oh, loads of people joined. Stop it! It's done in 23 seconds. Woohoo. my laptop is really slow, even though it's an Acer 20. It's just off so slow. Oh no, it's done in 6 seconds. Oh, stop doing this, please. I shouldn't have shifted so much. So what am I? Okay. What am I? I'm a melon. Yes. Yes. Oh, what? Melons. Damn, a solid block now. Come on, eat people. Wait, I think over there. Might be there. So that keeps popping up. Okay, you know what? I'm going here. It's gonna be easier. So I won't be able to find me. Woohoo! If anyone tries to come at me, tries to hit me, I'm just gonna hit them back. If they don't hit me, then I won't hit them. I'm probably gonna get killed in like the first minute. I must have shifted a lot of times. I must have a lot. Oh man. How long did I shift for? And guys, I only have 15 minutes on here because I got this from a website called Screencast-O-Matic, and they only have 15 minutes. So I didn't want to upgrade to Pro because it costs money. So yeah, I only have 15 minutes. So when this ends, and I'll have to carry it on with another. And just keep doing 15-minute videos. This is just gonna keep popping up, isn't it? Okay, so how much longer is there? It's not telling me how long there is left. Am I even a solid block? What am I doing? I've glitched. I'm glitched. Hello? What's happening? Stop. Actually. Oh, man. Okay, I'm exiting that. But guys, this stops here.